Hey guys, I'm going to show you today how we can use Pixlr for our cartoon mashup. So you're going to go to pixlr.com, Pixlr.com. This is what the screen will look like when you log on. You're going to click on Advanced Pixlr E. This is a free program similar to Photoshop. What's awesome is that you do not have to sell away your soul and log into anything. Everything you make will be saved in here, which is awesome. It is wonderful, but we'll show you how you can save things in case you're on a different computer or working somewhere else. Okay, so we're going to make a series of a few videos to help you out to go through each of these parts. So your first thing you're going to do is create new. We're going to create a full HD, which is going to be the largest type of image that we can create. That way we can make the best edits and it will have the most clarity and be in high def. You want to name it with your name. So I always use the underscore, Erin Lynch underscore, and I'm going to put cartoon here. You can call it something mashup cartoon, but something that lets me know when you send it to me what it is, okay? And then make certain your name is in there in some way, shape, or form. So what we're going to do is we're going to be using images that we pulled from the internet the other day. I will show you how in class, in case you're having struggles downloading images and how to do that. Why we want the images separate and we don't want to drag and drop them is we don't want them to be our actual layer in the background. We want them to be separate. So what we're going to do is we're going to hit this layer here and we're going to add an image as a layer. Before you guys came to my video here, saved a picture of Wonder Woman to my desktop. You can also save them to your drive that will be on your computer as well, which they'll stay there. So here is Wonder Woman. I have her, I want to use her legs to make my body, but I want to get rid of this background that's there. So in order to get rid of this background that's behind her, it's pixelated, but I still want to make certain that it's all gone away. This is a PNG file, so that means that there is no background, but you can see that it's different background from this, and I want just Wonder Woman to be her own little piece. So how do I go about getting rid of this? I'm going to go to this magic wand tool. What I'm going to do is I'm going to select the background. First up, remember we are using a free program, so ads will pop up. Just close them, no big deal. So I've clicked the background and you can see that it's highlighted everything around Wonder Woman, but I still have some things in here that I want to get rid of as well. And I can get rid of them at the same time. So I can click right here and get rid of those as well by clicking on them. Then if I hit the delete or backspace key, what it will do is it gets rid of all of those parts. Now this is selected right now, and when you want to deselect something where you don't want that highlight around it, I want to do something different, I can go up here to select and hit deselect. So now it's not selected. What's cool is if I hit this arrow, I can now move Wonder Woman around, but she has that nice clear background now. I'm going to put Wonder Woman to the side because I want to use her, but I want to use Lisa Simpson's body. So I'm going to put Lisa Simpson's body on top. I didn't save Lisa Simpson here, so I found a picture of Lisa Simpson here, and I'm actually going to save this image. And this is how you can save an image to one of these things. I'm going to save it to my drive here. So it gets saved here, which is great. I'm now going to go back to Pixlr, and I want to bring Lisa back on. So let me go back to layer, add an image as a layer, and then I'm going to grab Lisa Simpson right here. Oh, I saved her to my drive. I actually saved her twice in here. Okay, so I now have Lisa Simpson here. She's quite small, and I want to make her a little bit larger. So I'm going to hit the Shift key, because the Shift key will allow me to keep Lisa intact here. So I'm going to make her a little bit larger. I can hit Shift while I'm hitting the corners and pulling them out. All right, in our next video, I'm going to show you how I can edit Lisa and how this will all work. So see you in just a second.